one of the things that we geeks suffer from is a lack of clarity or lack of understanding that other people have in the organization about the role of technology. And part of that is our own darn fault, because we're so happy being geeks and talking geek speak that we don't realize that, or we don't notice that the superintendent and the principals and the other decision makers that we have to rely on, that their eyes glaze over when we start doing too much of that geek speak. And so whether it's BYOD or whether it's SNMP or whether it's SFlow or whether it's, Juniper Firewall or any of that kind of stuff, I always have to guard myself, and I ask my staff also to do the same thing, to remember to sell the sizzle and not the steak, In other words, what my assistant superintendent of curriculum instruction wants to hear about BYOD is not the word BYOD so much, but how awesome it's going to be that Johnny can bring that device that he got from his grandma at Christmas in and start doing classwork with it right away without having to do a lot of training for the teachers and so on and so forth. So in terms of use of words and things like that, I think it's real important that we always, from our geeky point of view, that we remember that we've got to sell the sizzle, not the steak, and try to keep things on the 30,000-foot level, as far as viewing what it's going to look like when all this cool stuff happens, and then get into the detail as people show interest in hearing or wanting to hear the detail.